So hello everyone. So in this part, I will discuss. So this is the part three. Okay. So in this part, I will discuss like that the every C code, the execution will start from the main function always. Okay, and at least one function should be there in the code. Means two, three, four, five, six function we can use, no problem, but the execution of the C code always start from the main function. Okay, some code here I am writing include uh, include studio.h. Okay, just I am writing a small code. Has include studio.h, and suppose if we write the void main. So I will tell later what are the meaning of the here int main and void main also we can use. I am telling. Okay. So suppose we have a code here. Okay. And we write here the multiple line one, line two, line three, like that. A statement one, a statement two, a statement three. I write more line. I write here. Okay. So in case of the C language, the execution process always start from the main function. If we have another function is there, if we have another function, then no problem. The execution always start from the main function. This is the first point. Okay. And C language have the multiple statement. Suppose here I write the 10 statement total. The 10 statement. Okay. The 10 statement. I am telling the process. So if we write the C code, then we need to save. Okay, then we need to save. So that file is called the .c file. Okay, that file name is the .c file, and .c file is the source code. That is the source code. Okay, I am telling the execution process, execution process in C language. Okay. So firstly, suppose I am going to maintain like that to check whether the given number is prime or not. For that purpose, we need to write the code. Okay, and then we will save. So that file is called the .c file. .c file, that is the source code. Okay, this is the execution process. Okay, in the C language, the whatever the line started from the hash symbol, that is called the preprocessor command. I will explain later. Okay. So right now, I mean whatever the line wrote with the help of the hash symbol, so that line is called the preprocessor command. Okay, preprocessor command, and means the whatever the line means how many times the preprocessor command. So we use in case of the C language. Suppose we mention one statement also here include include conio.h. Conio.h means this is a console input output. Studio.h means a standard input output. Okay, so in this code, so we have a preprocessor command is there. We have a two processor command, line 1 and line 2. Okay, so after that, internally we will generate the .i file. The .i file, that is a preprocessor command. Preprocessor command. Okay, preprocessor command, this is the preprocessor command .i file. Okay, after that so after that, with the help of compiler, so because our translator is there, no? So after that, with the help of the compiler, so we will convert into the .o file. .o file means this is the object code. This is the .o file means object file. Okay, so firstly, so in case of the C language, what the thing I write already. So this is the .c code. Okay, after that, in the C code, the whatever the total line is there who started from the hash symbol, that line will be executed. Okay, and that file name is called the .a file. okay, with data file. After that with the help of the compiler, so with the help of the compiler we compile the program, okay, and we compile the program and we create here the object code. Here we create the object code. Object code is nothing but in that only it will be 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 like that. That is the machine level. So this is the machine level language converted. Okay, and after that, and after that, with the help of the linker, so with the help of the linker, .exe file created, that is the finally software. Okay, so that is the finally software. This is the with the help of linker we create the .exe file. .exe file is nothing but it is the, so it is the software file. Yeah, suppose in case of the C language, anyone anyone tell like that, so you can create one software like, so one software. Yeah, suppose anyone tell like that, make the calculator in C language. So make the calculator in C language. Can you make the calculator in C language? So if you want to go to make the calculator in C language, so finally at the end you need to give the .exe file. .exe file is nothing but it is a software. .exe file, it is a software. Okay, it is a software. Okay, so again I am telling the execution process. What are the execution process in the C language? Suppose so we have a C code is there, okay, and in that there is a the 10 line is there, 10 statement is there, and suppose I am taking here example only two, the preprocessor command is there. So firstly, after writing the C code, we need to save that file is called the .c file, that is the source code. Okay, again the whatever the line in the C language who has started from the hash symbol, that line is known as the preprocessor command. Okay, then it will generate the .f file. That file is name is called the .f file. Okay, after that with the help of the compiler, with the help of compiler we create the .o file, that is the object file. Okay, and finally with the help of the linker we will create the .exe file. So finally it is the software. If anyone ask like that to create any software, to create anything in the C language, suppose calculator, yeah, anything, so finally at the end you need to give the .exe file. That is nothing but this is the software. .exe file means this is the executable file. Executable file. Okay, so that is the thing how the execution process, like that. Okay, so so thank you everyone. And yeah, again I am telling one thing. Okay, so this is the main function is there. Execution always start from the main function. Okay, we have a 10 line is there. If we write the void, okay, if we write the, actually this is the return type of the function. Okay, I will tell in the later, in the upcoming video in the function chapter. Okay, so this is the return type. If we write a void, then function will not return anything. But instead of the void, if I write here int, if I write int with the help of the void, if I write int main, then so then in the last we need to write the return statement. Okay, we need to write the return statement, and that return, it will return 0. It can return anything, but here it return return. So return is the keyword. Return, it will be 0 and semicolon. Okay, so if we use int statement in the place of void, then function will return 0 value. Okay, when function will return 0 value, so return 0. Okay, no problem. If we write void, then it will not return anything. So thank you everyone. This is the execution process. In the later video I will discuss the different thing. Okay, thank you.